I'm Paul Leonard, I'm the head chef of a forest side in Grasmere. So we're looking at a beautiful roasted monkfish dish, really, which is the star of the show. We're going to serve it with some sea beet, some sea aster and some monk's beard, a little bit of Tokyo cross turnip, which has been slightly pickled, and then we're going to serve it with a sauce of Solway brown shrimp. Like the roasting of a monkfish for me is the most important. We get it in, we'll take around 700 gram tails, so we're going to trim it down, then we're going to brine it. We use an 8% brine, it goes in there for about 22 minutes. We'll then wash it off and then air dry it overnight. So that's really important because we want a texture of there, just want a heavy roast. And then we're going to roast this on the bone in a shed load of cultured butter. Really good rest, like you would do a piece of meat, then carve. Again, picking down the sea veg and just having a nice little, we use a seaweed stock just to blanch them in. Just really quick, in and out, 10 seconds. The sauce is really, have that ready, and then just on service, we'll blend the two together, give it a little hand blend, check for seasoning, and then send it out. So the monkfish gets glazed, and then we'll carve it, and then that'll go on the plate. After the monkfish has gone on, so we'll just put a little bit of Tokyo cross turnip that has been pickled in sort of like a little house pickle that we use, which is a good Chardonnay vinegar, a touch of sugar, and some water. So just a nice light pickle, touch acidity to that meatiness of the dish. Sea veg, sort of like sea veg, which is sea aster, sea beets. We've got a little bit of monk's beard on there as well. We want to keep this nice, fresh and crunchy to go against the meatiness of the fish. So this just gets basically dipped 5 to 10 seconds in a little bit of sort of like a seaweed stock that we use. That goes on the plate. We've got some cresses, so some nasturtium, some winter purslane, and some sea purslane. A little bit of Chardonnay vinegar, which has been mixed with sort of like a dash of vinegar is the best way of saying it. Then it all gets finished with a Solway brown shrimp sauce, which has just been slightly aerated. Just gives a bit more lightness to the dish. So here we have a beautiful roasted monkfish dish with a sauce made from Solway brown shrimps.